it. Okay. Thank you too much wrong. You understand now?
No.
Okay, you're good to now. You go to the house and you listening for the Kansanya where you go to the fruits. Okay. You get inside the follow me means. Okay, yeah.
Gaw.
Diha na.
Oh, what?
Bitsin ba?
Sa higamla.
Gamay. Gamay na simula una ta.
You,
Kita ko na.
how about go to the
Wala na to, imuhang kuan.
you go had the bitchen?
Agong Marcos ba?
Where you going? Asain?
Bitsin.
Ayun kasi.
Asa a bitchen?
Kabungmong Marcos.
Asa ko punta?
Kabungmong Marcos.
Bitchen? Nagbabong. Kunti na lang ha. Chato pa, marami pa.